let's talk about Toncoin, guys. This cryptocurrency is relatively new. I'm going to be going down, breaking down some key details about this cryptocurrency. Let's go and begin. So what is Toncoin? The original idea was to integrate the Ton into an easy-to-use application that allows users to buy, store, send funds. Clients pay transaction fees and use Ton to settle payments or validate transactions. Toncoin utilizes a proof of stake or POS consensus model for network scalability and reliability. According to the project website, the platform provides its customers with fast, transparent, and secure payment services, facilitating transactions with minimal fees and third-party applications. Pretty much like many cryptocurrencies out there. But this thing is relatively new and it's in a rank number 22, so 255,000 people's watch list. So that's what raised my attention about this. It's very new and it's already in the top 100. So there's a lot of money backing it. I mean, it has a market cap of almost $3 billion. So it's pretty intense when it comes to it. I'm going to dive into the charts right after I hit the website. So here's their website, guys. If you guys want to learn more about it, check out the timeline and the wallets and stuff like that. But if you guys want to learn more, like there's some key details here, like block time versus time to finality, simple transaction performance. So if you guys want to read all these details, please check it out. Head to their website. But these are the charts. So here it is on the monthly, guys. Now, it is. Now I tried it on different brokers. They're all relatively looking the same, very short charts. We have a massive opening of a high of $6.60, and now we're back down to $2.38. Now, I understand the volatility in the very beginning, and this slow build up. So for me, guys, this is out of the realm of trading. I wouldn't trade this cryptocurrency at all. You know, if I read more into the details into the project, understood more how and what they're doing, for me, I would just probably dollar cost average, doing very small settlements or very small buys every once a month or every once a week and start stacking it. If there's a way you can start, stacking this cryptocurrency where I can get some, cash flow from it, then I would check it out, see if you can. But so far that I've read, you can mainly just get, trading performance out of it, and that would be just dollar cost averaging once a week, once a month with very risk-free money. I don't want to put anything, very risky, especially into a new cryptocurrency. I think there's a lot of risk involved just in doing that alone. If you guys want access to this cryptocurrency, just go to markets on CoinMarketCap. You guys can see what markets they're available on. Like so far, they're on PancakeSwap, Uniswap, OKX, Huobi, PolonaX, BitGadget. I can't. When it comes to the charts, also, guys, I can't really give a real price prediction because this is too new. So I just was kind of like the Wild West. You're gonna expect what kind of risk you're gonna be throwing out there. Maybe it can go up back to $6 or not. I have no clue. But for me, if I was gonna just not trade it, I would just do cash positions. And if it starts breaking down a lot lower, like 50% lower, I would just cut my losses. But I would just typically wait a lot to have more information about it. But that's usually what my style is. But we'll look at the community, see what they say. Alright, let's break it down. So, in 2019, my friend asked me to register on the exchange, and then he will receive $15, $150, and receive $10 worth of 100 coins. As a result, I signed up for the free mail with the leftover account of another crap coin. I remember about this in 2022. The coin was worth $600 in Binance. So these guys, kind of got pre-registered for the cryptocurrency. Ton fans. Then you remember you bought advertising with Morgan and everything falls into place. So it's not a lot of information about this since crypto is so new. So it's kind of like this says bullish on the token. Meta Islands and partnered with NEO blockchain and they are giving free NFTs to new members. Don't miss out. I stay away from NFTs, but tell me what you guys thoughts about that. Ton, the best coin. Check out the Fragment auction bot on Telegram and Fragment Alarm. So I mean, there's some people who are very bullish about this cryptocurrency. So that's the best I can give you guys when it comes to that information. But if you guys want news and relative information about that, check out their Twitter page. 174,000 followers. Putting some new things out. What is this? win 5,500 in Ton. So they have some good, some cash rewards if you guys want to try those out. I personally am not. I'm just reviewing this cryptocurrency just on the surface level. But guys, if you guys want any more cryptocurrency information, please check out my website, andremcclennan.com. If you want to learn more about Forex, stocks, or economy, just check out my website. If you want some free education, click here. If you want to join my Telegram group, kind of interesting, but join my Telegram group. You can talk to me directly there. And if you want to talk about my trading robots and services in there, just click on that. But besides that, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Check out the rest of my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one.